Okay, this is a video of me doing my water pump for my 50 horse Honda 4-stroke. And it's a 2002. So I have undid the 2 bolts that are there. So there's one right there, and then if it focuses, you might see the other one down in the hole. There you go, the other one in the hole. So 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there. Now, this piece right here, this is super engineering this. If you look up a little higher there, you can see it. But it's just a bolt going into threaded, basically a joiner between 2 threaded shafts, and you make sure that that nut stays where it is. It actually has to go down. You can see it's a little dirty, so that right there is where that has to be for the lever to work, and you have to put it in reverse in order to make it so that you can access that bolt, and that's it. And so I'm going to undo this bolt, and then I'm just going to pull this right off, and we'll see what we got. So I have removed the lower end. There it is right there. There's my 4 bolts for my pump. So I'm going to find a socket for them, and I'm going to remove those 4 bolts and go in and get my kit. So the bolts are out, and now I'm going to try to remove this here. Look at that, we just lift it up like that. Pull it out of there, take a look at it. It actually doesn't look that bad, you know. It's kind of interesting. Yeah, I'm going to take it back, take it a little further apart and see. So the impeller's out now, and if you look here, you can see the cracks in it. And it's really tough. The little scoops are really tough, so that means they probably weren't holding tight against the sides, and they were getting ready to break. So this is the new kit right here. I'm pretty impressed, really. I mean, it's $80, but for 80 bucks you get a new steel sheath. That's the inner part of that right there. You get a new impeller. Notice how the fins are straight, not curled, where this is staying curled. You get a new rubber duty. Don't know what it's for yet. You get a new housing. You get 4 new bolts to put the pump on with. You get a new Woodruff key, always handy. Those are steel spacers that go in there. If you look here, there they are there. There's one that fell out. Then you get 1 new gasket, 2 new gaskets, 3 new gaskets, and a steel plate. That'll be that plate right there. Okay, I'm going to go through this, take another look at it, clean it up. It's all back together again. I used up all the parts, put all the old parts in there, basically just replaced them one at a time as they were there, cleaned everything up, and we're going to put it all back together. Okay, I have it to this point now. This is where I'm going to go forward and put the thing back in neutral, and then I'll put the remaining bolts in.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a fantastic day.